Even though it seems too good to be true, there's no longer a need to break the bank when treating someone to a great tech product. Today, there are countless high-quality yet inexpensive tech gifts that cost just $50 or less, including highly rated products from industry giants. Tapo C210 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. The TP-Link Tapo 2K is a fantastic gift option whose versatility will bring welcome peace of mind to the recipients while they are away from home. The accessory can stream and record 2K video, that's sharper than Full HD, including in the dark. It can rotate 360 degrees and tilt up and down, so it's also great for keeping tabs on pets. We like that the Tapo 2K can send alerts if it detects motion or sound. Its onboard siren is yet another tool that will help its users worry less about leaving home. A19X Portable Music Player. The AGP-Tech A19X has a curved design and a stellar set of features that defy its under $50 sticker, making it a superb gift for digital music enthusiasts. Despite its impulse buy price tag, the gadget offers 32 GB of expandable storage, future-proof Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity, onboard FM radio, and up to 48 hours of battery life. Ivo Boost Smart Car Charger with Alexa. The IoT Ivo Boost Car Charger is a thoughtful and inexpensive gift for an Amazon Alexa in your life. Its onboard microphones will give the recipient full access to the virtual assistant, allowing them to play content and control their connected home appliances with voice commands, among many other tasks. Other key features of the high-tech accessory include a pair of USB ports and a discrete ring light. HS210 Mini Drone. This insanely affordable mini drone by Holy Stone is a great gift option for beginners. It has a clever design with protection shells around its rotors, the ability to perform a host of in-flight tricks, and around 20 minutes of flight time per charge. It comes bundled with an intuitive controller and a trio of batteries. Life P2 Mini True Wireless Earbuds. Anker's Soundcore Life P2 Mini True Wireless Earbuds belie their price tag, making for an excellent tech gift for any occasion. They have a cool design with an exercise-friendly IPX5 rating for water resistance, good sound, and a comfy fit. To make things even better, the earbuds have future-proof Bluetooth 5.2 and up to 8 hours of battery life, 32 with the storage case. You can order the P2 Mini in black, white, green, navy, and pink. Signature M650 Wireless Mouse. A new wireless mouse is always a foolproof gift for a coworker, a family member, or a friend, and the Logitech Signature M650 is hands down the best under $50. The gadget will make a lasting impression thanks to a precise scrolling wheel and silent buttons. The mouse has a swappable AA battery that can last up to 2 years between changes. Logitech offers the Signature M650 in 2 sizes and multiple colors for left and right-handed users. Small Matte Desk Pad. The Grovemade Matte Desk Pad is a great tech gift to upgrade the recipient's workspace. Available in black or blue, the accessory is made using natural linoleum and cork, so it is easy to keep clean and enjoyable to interact with. Its textured surface is excellent for using a wired or wireless mouse. AirTag. The all-new Apple AirTag tracker is a useful cheap tech gift and will help the recipient keep track of keys, bags, or any other item it's attached to. It has a water-resistant design, a replaceable battery that can last over a year, and a rich selection of cool accessories for protecting and personalizing it. Essential Electronics Toolkit. Gadget tinkerers will instantly fall for this Essential Electronics Toolkit by iFixit. Designed by industry experts with many years of experience in tearing down and fixing tech products, it includes precision screwdrivers and tweezers, an opening tool, and many other bits. All tools are neatly organized in a carrying case with a magnetic lid. The toolkit is backed by a lifetime warranty from iFixit. S1 Stealth Wallet. The S1 Stealth Wallet by Dango Products is an impressive gift option with a minimalist design and a durable DTEX build with a water-resistant finish. The slim accessory has space for up to 6 cards and some cash, as well as a tiny and convenient pocket for a key or memory card. Thanks to its RFID blocking tech, the S1 will also protect users from credit card and identity theft. Go 3 Mini Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker is a wonderful gift for anyone who likes to enjoy tunes on the go. Despite its tiny size, the fully waterproof gadget is capable of delivering powerful and entertaining sound. It has a stylish and durable fabric exterior, up to 5 hours of battery life, and a convenient carry loop. Dime Mini Multi-Tool. Meticulously crafted in the United States, the Gerber Dime is a compact and feature-rich multi-tool that's a great gift option for gearheads. The stainless steel product's 12 onboard tools include a flathead screwdriver, a tiny plain edge blade, a box opener, and scissors, to name a few. Gerber backs it with a lifetime warranty. Basic UV Sanitizer. The reasonably priced phone soap Basic UV Sanitizer is a thoughtful tech gift, especially considering the times we live in. The product's powerful UVC bulbs can eliminate bacteria and germs from the recipient's gadgets and other everyday items almost completely in about 10 minutes. You can order the phone soap Basic in black or white. It comes bundled with a USB cord. Charge 20 PD Portable Battery. The sleek and compact BioLite Charge 20 PD battery pack is gift-worthy since it can fully charge most smartphones with power to spare via a fast USB-C port. And thanks to a pair of full USB ports, the accessory can also power up other gadgets they own like, say, a pair of wireless headphones or earbuds. The product's durable housing has a characterful two-tone finish and a handy battery indicator. If you are willing to exceed your $50 gift budget by $10, consider the BioLite Charge 40 PD with an even bigger battery capacity. Classic Pouch. The Bellroy Classic Pouch is a great gift that will neatly store and organize the recipient's charging cables, wireless earbuds, battery packs, and other small gadgets and daily essentials. Its pockets and compartments include one with a handy magnetic closure. Bellroy has crafted the pouch from eco-friendly fabrics sourced from recycled nylon or bottles, and each rock a sturdy metal zipper. You can order the product in several colors.